Alright, so today, leak in the suction distributor. You can kind of tell this is the one that's leaking. You can kind of tell this is definitely an inferior factory braze joint than the other ones. But yeah, that's where it's leaking. I've already got it all cleaned off, otherwise I'd spray some bubbles on there. Now I just gotta shine it up and lay some new braze on there. But yeah, you can kind of see that's where the braze joint ended, and it just didn't flow into there properly. Just a poor factory braze joint. But what's shocking is this is an older carrier unit, so it's shocking just how long these braze joints can hold on. Let's see here. Yeah, 2010. So March of 2010. So yeah, this thing's 11 years old with a bad braze joint, and now it's just let loose recently. Brazing is pretty strong sometimes. Got my nitrogen flowing and purging. Get the torch going. Oh yeah.